Yo, it's Zahara, reading with Zahara, and today we're going to do something fun. And I got this idea from SpongeBob SquarePants episode. I'm going to do Pretty Patties and a milkshake. So now we're going to open the pink one. So let's open the pink one first. I got this from the Dollar Tree. It came in a 4-pack, so it's going to look pretty good. So when SpongeBob had an idea,
wow!
He had pink Pretty Patties, blue, purple, or red. So Mr. Krabs thought that idea was stupid, but SpongeBob had thought that idea was like a great idea. So he left Mr. Krabs, and Patrick and SpongeBob started a new restaurant, and all the Bikini Bottom came to their restaurant, and then they the Pretty Patties. So today I'm just making Pretty Patties with milkshakes. So let's get started. And I think I'm gonna use pink first. So let's make the pink Pretty Patty. I'm just flattening out the patty right now. So I'm just going to pull a little half piece off. Well, I'm just going to make little ones. So I'm just going to make this one go back. You always supposed to get green for the lettuce. So let's get some green. Well, that's what I do. Just take the green out. And then we put the green back and put this lid on. And then we take the orange one out. You always put the Play-Doh on the lid so we don't have to keep it on the table. Yeah, so right now I'm just taking out the orange Play-Doh, and I'm putting the rest of the Play-Doh on the lid. So right now we have our bottom of the patty. So can all of y'all say the color with me? Yes. It's pink. Good job. Oops, all done. And this one is green. Can y'all say it? Yes, green. Just pull the edges off. Almost forgot. Gotta put this on right here. So right now, just taking the edges off, and I'm just gonna curl this up like this. And in about a few seconds, I am gonna be done with my patty. So let's keep going. Can y'all say this color with me? Yes, it's orange. Good job. Put this in here. Next color gonna come out is this color. Can y'all say this color with me? Yes, it's yellow. So let's put the lid on here. And after all I get done with my patties, next we're gonna make the milkshake. So after this, we're gonna make the milkshake. So right now, I'm just pouring Play-Doh off. Can you say this color Play-Doh with me? Yes, yellow. Next, we're going to put the top one on. So look at all those colors. Let's put the top piece on. Take a little bit more off and flatten it out. Oops. Kind of messed up a little bit, but it looks good. So, this is my first try, but kind of looks good. So let's put it on this one. And now, let's do yellow next. So now, we're gonna make the color yellow. Can everybody say that with me? Yes, yellow. Let's do it. So now, we're just rolling this up and flatten it out. I'm going to take a little piece this time so it doesn't mess up like the last time. So let's do it. So now, look, I made it curvy. So the next color we're going to use is, well, not that color. Well, we're going to use this color. So now we're making the Krabby Patties with yellow. And now I just put on the green, so right now I'm about to put on pink. So let's put on this pink. So now I got the pink on my yellow Krabby Patty. So let's do that. Now we're gonna make the cheese. Let's make the cheese. Cheese, cheese, cheese. Everybody loves cheese, but except me. This cheese. So now we got the orange cheese. Time to put the topping on there. So now we got our other yellow topping. So now we're gonna put it on here. Let's do it! Now we have a yellow pretty patty. Now let's put it on here. So now we got two pretty patties. Pink, yellow. Yay! So the next color we're doing is orange. See? Orange. Let's make it. So now I'm flatting the orange. Flat, flat, flat. Let's all flat the orange. So now, this time I'm going to need 2 layers because I'm making another Krabby Patty. So now, we're going to use the orange one. Yay! Let's do it. So now I'm flatting the orange bottom topping. Let's do it. now we have a flat bottom top. Now we're gonna curl it up. Curl it, curl it, curl it. Now we curled it all up. Well, now we curled it all up. Not into a taco. So now we're gonna put some lettuce. Let's flat the green. See? Green. Now we have the orange bottom topping, green topping. We got the green on here. Let's put the rest of the green back. Let's do it. Now the next color is pink. Pink, pink, pink. Let's mush it up. Now we're gonna curl it again and put another on there. Now we got the bottom orange topping, the green topping, and the pink topping. Now we got pink, green, and orange. Yay! Now we gotta put the cheese. Yeah. Can everybody say this color with me? Yeah. Yellow. You did it. Yay! So now, ooh, we got the orange topping. Now let's flat that out. And take the edges off. See? Edges. Put the edges back on. The other orange. And there we got it. A orange flat top. Now be sure, kids, use your imagination. Ta-da! Well, this kind of like the first one. Ta-da! We did it! Yay! The third, Pretty Patty! We did it! Yay! Let's all give a hand clap. Oops, wrong one. The next one we're going to use green. So let's do that. One more patty. Let's flatten out the green. Green. So now we are doing, drum roll please, yellow. Because green is supposed to be lettuce, so now we're going to change the color. Ooh, got it. So right now, we got green bottom topping and a yellow topping. We're almost done. Let's see what the next color I can use. Ooh, I just remembered. Pink. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Now we got green, yellow, and pink. Now we need to add the cheese. So now the next thing we're doing is, so now we got cheese, a hamburger, lettuce, and the bottom topping. Now we're gonna put the big topping on. Well, the top topping. let's use this one. It's much smaller. Now we got it. Let's put it on here. Yay! Our last one and we did it! Whew, that was some hard work. Do y'all guys want to do one more? Yeah, the next thing we're doing, milkshakes. Let's do it. So now we're going to do the first milkshake. And the first milkshake is always pink. So let's use pink. Let's take a little bit. Now we got pink. Let's pour it in there. So now you have it. It's a strawberry cherry milkshake. Yeah. Now let's put this in there. And now, after this is done, now we have our pink pretty patty and our pink smoothie. Let's do it, guys. We did our first one. Now, let's do our second one. Let's pour it. Now this is how you make a milkshake. And it's got really good. Well, we're done with the milkshake.
Yeah. Are you gonna make the other milkshakes? Make the other milkshakes.
We got this.
You gotta put on the plate.
So the next one, yellow.
Hold on, let me go down here and get these two.
So the next one we're gonna make is yellow. Let's do it, guys. We got a yellow milkshake. Green milkshakes. We got our green. So now we got some water in the green, and let's pour it in there. A green milkshake with our green pretty patty. So kids, make sure you subscribe to this channel. It's a G.B.L network channel, Reading with Zahara. And make sure you look for this video and have a peaceful day. Thank you.